Hey kids, and welcome to day 23, the penultimate day of a very Windows Christmas. So, for day 23, what we're going to do is we are going to be installing and exploring Windows 2000 build 1946. So, yeah, this is a Beta 3 Release Candidate 0 build of Windows 2000. And, you know, despite being a quote-unquote Beta 3, it actually differs quite a lot from the final version, which usually the Beta 3s don't really differ a lot from the final version. The true Beta 3 was 2031, and yeah, there's not really a lot of difference there from the final version, but this is a Release Candidate 0 build, compiled on, I believe, the 13th of December, 1998. So, yeah. So we have NT 4.0 loaded up here, and we're going to upgrade. So, yeah. And I don't think it's going to run well, so there's that, too. As you can see, I have the CDL running in the drive, and another run just came up here. Yes. Now, this is actually the first known build that's actually branded as Windows 2000, so I'm going to click Don't Restart and then restart myself. Windows 2000 is now installed. Great. There's our boot screen. Yeah, it's branded Windows 2000 Professional, and it's got a nice logo. Got our blue background. Beta 3 right there. And just, as you can see, you got again, Beta 3 branding right there. So just get out of there. Yeah, I'm just going to show you the new sounds. Yeah, it's still making beeps. I don't know why. Here it is. Windows logon sound. And here's the log off sound. Very nice. So let's see. What version of Internet Explorer we got in here? Can I just... Yeah, don't show it in the future. Work offline. Yep, we got Internet Explorer 5 here. We also got, of course, Minesweeper, so we're gonna have to play this. Do-do-do-do. Oh, okay. And, yeah, we're going to... Yeah, we got a lot of accessories here. Private character editor is one of them. No, I didn't want to synchronize. Get out of here. I don't know if I draw an A here. Yeah. No, don't say this character. And so yeah, I mean, it is a lot of it is kind of the same as you know what you would get in Windows 2000, but sometimes it's not. And you know, let's just set our wallpaper here. Yeah, there it is. So, yeah, I feel like that's just about gonna do it for day 23 of Everyone's Christmas. And I'll see you in the Christmas Upgrade Finale 2025 for the final day of Everyone's Christmas, day 24. Alright. See ya.